Now we have on stage a group of artistically inclined students of the Mandawe City School for the Arts who are specializing in music with the emphasis in ensemble singing. Established in the early 2000s, the group has garnered several awards in the national level and has proven their exceptional skill when they competed and won in Jakarta, Indonesia in 2006. On the same year, they also achieved the prestigious Perlas Awards, the highest award given to a performing artist in Cebu. Over the years, this group of young music enthusiasts continue to hone their chorale singing capabilities. Now, under the new leadership of the award-winning Cebuano musician Mr. Nino James Banares, at the present, the group has been handpicked to perform in several local events and gatherings. Tonight, they will be gracing us with their rendition of Lift Your Voice, Hallelujah, and Cantante Domingo. Please give a warm round of applause to Huni Mandawe.
Glorious